Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, or you can email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and this number uses WhatsApp. So this number uses WhatsApp, and it's 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. Remember that you can have classes with us. You can either have class in person or over the telephone. These classes are available whether it's in person or over the telephone. These classes are available island-wide, anywhere in the island, anywhere in Jamaica. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class. Telephone classes last for about half an hour per class or longer if you choose. It starts from $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month for 1 hour class per week. For one class per week, 1 half hour class per week. $2,000 per month. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it to our Jamaica national account. Pay for the classes, pay for the telephone classes or the in-person classes to our Jamaica National Bank account. To have class in person, you can have class for 2 hours each class, any day, anytime you choose, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m., any day of the week from Sunday to Sunday. Classes in person can either be with a class, as a full set of class with other persons in it. That means you will come to us, or we can go to you. To come to us, it would be $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. 2 hours for the class. 2 hours, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Any day of the week, Sunday to Sunday. Or we can go to you. We can go to your location, your house, or wherever you would like us to go to. To go to you, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Any day of the week, anytime between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. Classes can be any grade of primary or prep school, PEP, reading for adults, reading classes for adults, teenagers, or children. So adults, teenagers, or children can have reading classes, PEP classes for any grade of primary or prep school, as well as persons doing the art aptitude test can have classes with us. We will help you with your art aptitude test. Pay for it using Pay for it using our Jamaica National Bank account. You are also invited to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers or PEP papers and PEP papers. 50 GSAT past papers and PEP papers, about 50 papers for only $4,000. Only $4,000 for the set of about 50 past papers, GSAT past papers, as well as PEP past papers. Send us a WhatsApp in send us a photograph. Send us a WhatsApp, an email. Send us an email telling us which email address you'd like the email sent to. You will receive these tests by email. Send us an email telling us from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and that way we will have the email address right and ready to send it to. So send us an email from the email address that you'd like the test sent to, and we will have that email address right and ready to send the test to. So we will send you an email of the 50 GSAT and PEP past papers. You will receive the emails the day after payment is made. Send us a photograph of your receipt through email or WhatsApp. The account number is Island-wide Jamaica National Bank account number 0011114402, Afro Tree branch. Account holder's name Richard Sharp. Again, make payment for anything, for classes or past papers at any branch of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree branch, account holder's name Richard Shaw. Send us a photograph of the receipt in WhatsApp or by email to let us know proof that would be proof of your payment. So send us a photograph of your receipt after you have made payment in WhatsApp or by email as proof of your payment. You may make the payment online, or you can go into the bank and use the Dropbox. Use Jamaica National Dropbox to pay for it. That's a quicker way to pay for it. You don't have to use a teller. You can use a Dropbox and pay for it, and you can make payment online. So remember, Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number, and this is a WhatsApp number. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 96 out of 150 questions. This question asks 5n minus 21 is equal to 39. What is n? The choices are A. 18, B. 60, C. 12, D. 26. Again, the question and choices are 5n minus 21 is equal to 39. What is n? The choices are A. 18, B. 60, C. 12, D. 26. Do you know how to do algebra? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. 5n minus 21 is equal to 39. What is n? The choices are A. 18, B. 16, C. 12, D. 26. Now to read my answer. 5n minus 21 is equal to 39. 5n is equal to 39 plus 21. 5n is equal to 60. 5 times n is equal to 60. N is equal to 60 divided by 5. N is equal to 12. Answer C. Now to explain my answer. In algebra, if you move one number to the other side of the equal sign, you change the sign. You change the sign. It goes from plus to minus, minus to plus, multiply to divide, or divide to multiply. So if you move a number from one side of the equal sign to the other side of the equal sign, you change the symbol from plus to minus, or minus to plus, or multiply to divide, or divide to multiply. Now, in this question, 5n minus 21 is equal to 39. 5n, therefore, is the biggest number because you subtract 21 from 5n. So 5n is the biggest number. So you are going to change the question to 5n is equal to 39 plus 21. So you change the sign from minus to plus. You change the sign from minus to plus. 5n is equal to 39 plus 21. 5n is equal to 39 plus 21. 39 plus 21, when you do the addition, is equal to 60. 39 plus 21 is equal to 60. So therefore, 5n is equal to 60. 5n is equal to 60. 5n is actually 5 times n. 5n is actually 5 times n. You do not put the multiply sign, but 5n is 5 multiplied by n. You do not put the multiply sign. It's not there, but 5n is actually 5 multiplied by n. So therefore, 5 times n is equal to 60. 5 multiplied by n is equal to 60. Again, 5 times n is equal to 60. 5 multiplied by n is equal to 60. Now, n would be equal to 60 divided by 5 because you change the sign. You move the 5 over to the other side of the equal sign. You move the 5 over to the other side of the equal sign. So you change the sign from multiply to divide. You change the sign from multiply to divide. So n is equal to 60 divided by 5. You change the sign from multiply to divide. Again, you change the sign from multiply to divide. So it is now n is equal to 60 divided by 5. N is equal to 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5. 5 into 6 goes 1 time. Carry the 1. Put the 1 by the 1 and then carry the 1 that is remaining in front of the 0. And that makes it 10. And then 5 into 10 goes 2 times. Again, 5 into 6 goes 1 time. Write the 1 and carry the 1 that is remaining from 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Carry the 1 in front of the 0. That makes it 10. 10. And then say 5 into 10 goes 2 times. 5 to 10 goes 2 times. So that makes the number 12. So 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12. 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 Answer C, 12. Answer C, 12. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
telephone classes are available. Receive classes over the telephone. Ideally, each telephone call lasts about 5 minutes. Students may call 5 days per week and more than once per day. Calls may be made on Saturdays and Sundays also. Call between 8 o'clock a.m. and 8 o'clock p.m. The telephone classes are in reading for adults and children, GSAT, CXC, CAPE, and computer classes. I am suitable for the GSAT and reading classes and the computer classes, but I will send you a teacher. I will assign you a teacher for the CXC and CAPE classes. Want individual attention? Want privacy? Want flexible class times? Telephone classes is the class for you. Only $2,000 per month. Use telephone classes for help with homework, help with any grade of basic, primary, prep and high school, help with using the computer. That would include, using the computer would include introduction to the computer, basic and advanced Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Publisher, and Internet and emailing. And also speed typing to help you to know where the keys are so that you can type faster. Also use the telephone classes for help with school projects, for reading and spelling help for adults, teens, and children, for GSAT and PEP help, for GNAT, that's the grade 9 assessment test, for heart aptitude test, for help if you're doing a heart aptitude test, you can get help with that. For help with the grade 4 literacy and numeracy test, for help with the grade 3 diagnostic test, for help with reading textbooks, and help with practice tests. Computer classes include introduction to the computer, basic and advanced Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Publisher, Internet and emailing, and general troubleshooting. Documents are often emailed to students for typing and reading. If you're doing typing lessons or reading lessons, learning and practice work material. You get learning and practice work material that way. And computer reading, GSAT, etc. students all receive learning and practice test material by email, which are then done over the telephone with the tutor. Payment should be made island-wide at any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Amphitree branch. Account holder's name, Richard Sharp. Notify me when payments are made. Make a copy of your bank receipt, scan it into the computer, and email me a copy of the bank receipt for verification of payment. Also, you can take a picture of the receipt, the bank receipt. You can take a picture of the bank receipt using your telephone and send me the photo via WhatsApp. That's an easy way to do it also. You can send me a photo of your bank receipt via WhatsApp. You will receive the telephone number of your tutor following verification of payment. And payments may also be made using PayPal. Call me on the number that uses WhatsApp 353-4752. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.